What's the meaning of affray? Affray. 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 Affray refers to a public disturbance that involves violence or the threat of violence. The consequences of an affray can range from minor injuries to serious harm or even death. Such incidents can also cause property damage and lead to legal consequences for those involved, including criminal charges and civil lawsuits. Additionally, affrays can have a negative impact on communities, leading to feelings of fear and mistrust and damaging social cohesion. Therefore, it is important for individuals to avoid engaging in this type of behavior and seek peaceful resolutions to conflicts.